Hi, I am Rachel, cleaning expert of sanitizationsingapore.com. Today I am going to show you how to remove coffee stains from carpet naturally. Do coffee grounds stain carpet? Coffee grounds can stain carpets. Does black coffee stain carpet? Yes, black coffee stains carpet. What can clean coffee stains out of carpets? You have varieties of cleaner options, range from abrasive to non-abrasive. Some of these options include baking soda, vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, shout, Waterpick, OxiClean, Vanish and salt. Personally, I vote for vinegar. Best way to remove coffee stain from carpet? 1. Mix 2 cups of warm water, 1 tablespoon of distilled white vinegar and 1 tablespoon of liquid dishwashing detergent. 2. Apply them on the stained spot using a dry clean towel and scrub as gently as you can. 3. Please make sure you applied moderately and soak up as much as you can after each scrubbing with another clean towel. 4. Do this repeatedly until the stain is completely gone.